Brilliance Audio presents the unabridged recording of Blood Makes Noise by Gregory Widen, performed by David Vries. For My Parents. Based on true events. Prologue. April 21st, 1947. It was late, nearly midnight, and everyone else had left the bank hours ago, home to wives, girlfriends, warm social dinners made more perfect in his mind because he had neither friends nor dinner invitations, just his last name on the front of the building and a hatred for this minor errand boy assignment he'd been left with. His desk was large, prominently placed, and if you didn't know better, you'd think this was a young man of responsibility. But everyone did know better, even seemingly the ancestral portraits glaring at him now. The bank was an old family one, never a fertile dynasty. Theirs produced a single son each generation to carry on the family crime. But every gene pool has its shallow end, and this son was trusted with little but the time to concentrate on the growing shame that was becoming his inheritance. And so Otto Spuri sat there, waiting, and threw crumpled paper balls at a wastebasket he never hit. The note, hand-delivered that afternoon, was predictable enough. A wealthy foreign individual, unnamed of course, this being a Swiss bank, would send a representative at midnight. It was always midnight, wasn't it? To arrange a large VIP safety deposit box. The representative undoubtedly would be some colorless suit straining under the weight of some monster or other's fleeing blood-stained fortune. At 20 past midnight, he was dozing when there was an insistent rap at the rear glass doors. Otto got up and opened them on a broad-shouldered man in livery costume. "Herr Spuri?" "Of course. Who the hell else would be stuck here at this hour?" The livery costume nodded, walked back to the idling limousine, and opened the rear door. From it emerged a beautiful woman in her late 20s. She wore mink, her blonde hair up in a fierce chignon. Otto Spuri recognized the face immediately, and his surprise was sufficient enough to leave him momentarily without manners. "Are you the banker?" she asked in Spanish. Finally coming to attention, he took her hand and bent with a snap. "Senora, I am surprised. Please, welcome to Credit Spuri."
Sample complete. Ready to continue?